Hey everybody. So this is a continuation of my last video, which did not, parts of that painting were so cool and I took pictures and I stuck them on my Instagram, but the painting as a whole, I did not care for. So I'm going to try it again a little bit differently. I'm going to do my 3 mallet smashes instead of the 1. So, otherwise I'm going to probably do very similar to how I did that one. So go back and watch that if you have 26 minutes, or you can speed it up and watch it in 13. If you didn't know, YouTube does have like a speed option, which I often use because I'm impatient. I will add again a touch of, I kind of feel like adding black. Probably a bad idea, but. And this is a mix of probably 6 different blacks, so. Oh, squirted, okay. This part I may try and do a little bit differently. We will see if I can. I tend to go overboard. Alright, I'm looking for the perfect tool. Let's see. Tools. Well, so far, my tools are working. I ended up with so much paint on that other one that I just kept having to tilt and tilt and tilt. This is I was going to say 10 by 10, 8 by 8. I think it's an 8 by 8. Cradled wood from Blick. And I just did a wood video on pricings and whatnot. People ask why I prefer the wood. I prefer it for resin. Resin and canvas is a pain in the patootie. I like the wood because it's durable. Somebody asked if it added on to shipping costs, and it does not. They don't seem, I mean, I don't have a tiny scale down here, but they don't seem to weigh, any noticeable difference. All right, so my smoothing out the white worked perfect. That, of course, gunked it all up. Not sure how I feel about this one. I don't think I like this one. I do not. I do not. I do not. So we're just going to abandon everything and do a flip cup. Because when things don't go your way, just keep playing. Alrighty. Well, actually not. I'm going to do a ribbon. No, I'm not. Due to the pink, it may end up looking like melted ice cream, which it does. Maybe this pour is just not my thing tonight. Probably the planet's way of saying quit painting and do laundry so you can pack for your vacation. But that's no fun. I think my husband's doing laundry. Maybe. I know he emptied the dishwasher. I hate doing the dishwasher. But as you guys know, I hate pretty much anything that has to do with the kitchen. I like eating. I do like eating. All right. Boy. I'm thinking. Isn't that fun to watch? It's very relaxing. I don't usually do tree pours. I had it in the cup, so I was like, well, why not? To alter it so it is not just a circle. And I'll probably end up wiping this anyways, but maybe not. It's kind of cool. Very 3D. Jeez, Louise. Fell off my seat. Well, let's see what happens if I do. So I'm putting red, oops, and white. I'm pretty much just playing in the paint at this point, if you can't tell. Red's a toughie because it turns pink. Mm. So I'm getting rid of most of that red, because boy was it ugly. Some of it is going to stay, but not much. Hang on. Gonna do a real hard tilt. There, now I just managed to get a little bit of it to stay. And some of it even bled into the mane, which is nice. So this is not at all what I was going for, but I'm digging it. That is cool. Oh my gosh. Sometimes you end up with a masterpiece just from fooling around. Or 10 children. I'm not going there. Oh my gosh, my hands. I was gonna get rid of this, but I think I wish I did not have to torch. I'm gonna torch from very far away. Wow, wow, wow. Very cool. Very unexpected. And the natural wood sides will look really pretty with these colors. And I think I just got a ton of paint in my hair. It's like very 3D looking. I'm really happy with this. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.